Mabuhay! I'm Shinil Reyes and you're watching Shinil's channel. Hi, hello, annyeong. Hello, and citizens. Now we're reacting to Wavy's High Five. So I've seen their teasers and their concept reminds me of EXO's EXO X ba yun? Something like that. Let's see if what this music video and song all about. Let's start. Wavy, waiting. Okay. Alright. Sadya na! Eh! Eh! Naalala ko ang NCT Wish siya ganito. Sadya! 10 ba yun? Sojun's voice, dang. Like that. Oh! Ngayon ko lang na-realize na Korean version! Ngayon ko lang na-realize. Stop. Ang hot mo kun! Sadya na. Ang longkit ng balloons. Yung boses ni Sojun. High five. Yeah. Dang! Thanks, Sojun. Dang, that magnificent, immaculate voice, Sojun. So, ito ang high five ng Wavy. Let's see kung nag-release pa ba sila ng iba pa ba? Let's see. Kasi nakita ko yung I've seen their teaser photos, and parang it's like they're emo, badass. It's like emo style. And then High Five isn't that emo concept. It's like hip hop. But I love seeing Wavy like this na parang ang saya-saya nila. Sobrang namimiss ko talaga yung mga... Kasi alam naman natin and citizens that hindi masyado nagka-comeback ang Wavy, diba? Parang recently lang sila laging nagka-comeback. And nagulat ako na Korean version siya. Baka mag-release pa sila ng Chinese version. Hindi ko alam kasi usually pag nag-release sila, Chinese muna, then Korean. Ngayon, it's Korean. Korean nga ba? Kasi narinig ko Korean words. I don't know. Pero ayun, it's fun. It's hip-hop. Parang naalala ko lang yung NCT Wish. Talagang NCT, Neo concept. The never-ending Neo concept. And that's my short reaction video. And please stream High Five by Wavy. And see you on my next one.